Howdy folks, this is Ryan with Double Edge Check. Wanted to show you guys some ways to help speed up your computers. First off, we're going to take a look at disk cleanup. Hit the start button, type in disk cleanup, and it'll pop up a little thing here. Click OK. It'll scan for files that you don't need. And it'll show you a list of stuff and the size that it'll clean up. You have an option to clean up system files. If you don't know what you're doing, don't use this because you can do some pretty serious damage. I click OK, delete files. As a note, I'm running Windows 10 in version 1607. The command or ways to view this will be in the description below. And depending on how many files you have, that may take seconds to several minutes to complete. Next, we're going to check Task Manager. You can either hit Control-Alt-Delete and then Task Manager, or you can right-click down here on the start bar and go to Task Manager. By default, you'll probably see this. Click More Details, go over to the Startup tab, and you'll see a list of programs that start when your computer turns on. As you can see here, I've got quite a few that are disabled. If you see any that you probably need to disable, just click on them and then click Disable. If you need to enable one that you previously disabled, click on it, then click Enable, and it'll re-enable it. Just some quick ways to keep some resources free. The other thing you can do, if you have a standard hard disk, we can do a defrag. Again, click on the start button, type in defragment, and it'll show up here. As you can see here, it shows me the different types of hard drives that I have in this computer. Solid state drives you typically don't need to deal with because it can actually ruin the drive. A hard disk drive, because of the way they store data, and optimize and defrag will gather the data closer together so it's faster and easier to access. Got the analyze and optimize. 1 or 2%, up to 5% probably isn't terrible. Anything above that, recommend optimizing. You shouldn't have to do it very often. In most cases, a lot of computers will have this done automatically. Once a week usually. Tell it if you want to change it. You can change, run on a schedule or not, and you can choose which drives to optimize. Mine set to automatically do it all the time, every week. Used to be able to specify what day, but I don't see they've added that to Windows 10. So it'll probably do it whenever you start your computer up. It'll run this and determine if it needs to optimize or not. Other than that, good antivirus to keep your computer clean. I highly recommend Malwarebytes. If you guys have any questions or anything, post them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help.